What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. So I got a DM a couple of days ago. Somebody says, Coach, I love the sport of boxing. I love training. Been sparring lately, getting beat up a little bit. How do I know if this sport's really for me? My response was, if you're asking me that, to be honest, maybe the competitive side is not for you. Just stick to the workout. Hear me out. It's almost like watching somebody in the club that don't want to dance and making them dance. It's a sad sight. Training is one thing. Competing is a whole higher level of commitment. As a coach, there's 3 qualities that if you don't have, I won't even work your corner personally. I'll tell you got to go to another gym because I am not going to be able to get you to perform on the level that you need to be at to A, not get hurt, and to B, be successful. And I don't like to, bring people into losing battles. I don't do that. I'll tell you straight up. Personally, I don't think this is for you, or personally, I think you're going to be great. I'll tell you straight up from the jump. So you got to have these 3 qualities, in my opinion. Number 1, the spirits of fight. If you get hit and you don't immediately want to retaliate, straight up and down, forget the skills aspect of it. Even if you had no skills whatsoever, if I walked up to you, whether it's in the ring or the street, and I go, what you gonna do? Are you going to start swinging back? Are you going to try? Or are you just going to lay down? If you're not the type that wants to swing back or doesn't immediately need to retaliate, then you don't have the fighting spirit. And I can't put that in you. Over time, can you become more aggressive? Can you train yourself to be, able to respond? Yes. But without that fuel, whether it's fueled by fear or hate, if you don't have that spirit to come right back, you're not built for this. And you're gonna get overwhelmed by somebody that's more aggressive eventually. Number 2, durability. You could be, very aggressive and have that first quality, but if you don't have the durability to withstand the punishment that comes with the sparring and the training and the fighting, if you don't have the ability to hide injuries and continue pushing forward and perform and not show any signs of weakness while you're hurt, you're not going to last. Someone's going to hurt you physically and you're going to fold. And that's just what it is. Some people have physical predispositions. They're very frail, maybe bone density issues, whatever. But I'm talking now physically. So the first one was mental and spiritual. The second one is more physical. Some people, they want to fight. They're aggressive as hell. But, you're soft. You know what I'm saying? You're just not physically durable enough for this. And you eventually, it's not even an opinion, you're scientifically going to break something in the ring and you're going to be out of commission. So I don't think, and everybody has a breaking point. Nobody's invincible, but I'm just saying some people are so frail and it just stick to the workout. And the third quality, work ethic. Day in, day out, week after week, month after month. If you want to say have one fight competitively, it's going to require at least 6 months, if you're exceptional, to a year before you can actually be ready. And that's, best case scenario to compete. If you are not consistently able to endure the workouts, the discipline, and just consistently, no starting over again, no fucking backtracking, none of that. You just, every day, you stay on track. You got a goal, you perform, you put out all your energy to the highest of your ability in every workout. You leave it all in the ring, you leave it all in the gym, and you know that you couldn't have done anything else to push yourself any harder, then you built for this. Those 3 qualities combined, even if you have 0 talent, I've got guys that have all the talent in the world, but they're missing one of the first 3, they always wind up getting pushed out the sport by somebody that's usually less talented. But if you have no skills, but you have those 3 qualities, you're probably one of the most dangerous people on earth, and you could be created into something amazing. So next time you get in the gym and you start feeling like you don't want to be there, don't get me wrong, everybody has days when they don't want to be there. But if you don't have the desire to come back from the beatings, from the tough workouts, and all the shit that comes with this sport, then just stick to the workout. So anyway, that's just for people that want to compete. For you guys that want to do it for the workout, this is the best workout in the world. It's going to push you beyond your your expectations for yourself as an individual to, reach a higher level of ability as far as your mind, your body, and your spirit. But the competitive side of it, those are the three qualities. Anyway, I hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I got plenty of new content coming. Don't forget to put your ideas in the comment section. Check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Till the next time, we up out of here. Out.